Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give review on Alya skincare products. Alya Skin is an Australian skincare brand which sell the vegan products. So these products is designed to give you everything that you need for your skincare routine and to give you a perfect glow in your skin. These products are vegan products, 30 days guarantee and free worldwide shipping. I ordered these products 2 months ago and I received after 3 weeks. They sent worldwide. If you are in Kenya, Tanzania, Poland, UK. So when you start to use this product, you must start with the cleanser. You clean proper your face. If you have makeup or even without makeup, you start with the cleanser. Clean proper your skin. Then exfoliator. Apply products to forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, scrub it and then wash with warm water. Like this. Then mask, pink clay mask. Then moisturizer. So they write everything that you have to start with the cleanser, then exfoliator. After exfoliator you apply mask. After mask you will finish with the moisturizer. So this is according to the package which I choose. The others, they have vitamin C serum, but I prefer this one because I wanted to try this product. So moisturizer, if you apply this moisturizer, it leaves your skin glow almost whole day. You will love this product. seen a lot of changes in my skin from the day when I start to use this product. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Comment down below your favorite skin care products.